Hello everyone. So this is a tutorial on how to manage, upload and update content on your exhibitor backend. So you must have received this link on a registered email ID. So all you have to do is click on this link, add your registered email ID and the password you will receive in the email. Just click on sign in button. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Just go to manage profile. Here you have to select a both design. Just click on select design. There you go. Now this is how you can upload all the sections presented here. Just click on upload booth logo. Click on choose files. There you can see there is a toggle button. You can adjust the image with it. Always remember to refer the sizes before you upload an image. Otherwise, either your image is going to be too small to be visible or it's going to be too big and it might get cut off. So just remember to refer the sizes beforehand. Once you do that, you have this crop button option. Always remember to click on crop, otherwise your changes will not be processed. And now finally, just click on save changes. So the process will remain same for this entire virtual booth. I will upload the standee. Just click on choose files. Click on the photo, scroll down. Here you can see a toggle button. Adjust the image accordingly. Now click on crop and then save changes. And there you go. Same process goes over here. Choose file. Click on the image. Below, toggle button. Click on crop and save the changes. Again. So the uploading process is pretty simple. All you need to remember is to refer the sizes beforehand and make sure the images are according to the size given above. Then always remember to click on the crop button before you click on save changes. So these are the two things that you always need to remember while uploading images. Yeah, that's it. There you can see images are uploaded. Same goes with the desk logo. Size it. Click on crop. You can see you will always have to click on the crop, otherwise your changes will not be processed. Now we will go down. So you can, for the about section, you can see there is a small red button, edit. We'll just click on that. Go to your website, find your write-up, your company's write-up. Just copy that. You can paste it. So if your company write-up has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs, so you can just upload one paragraph over here, second here, and likewise. Here you again have a edit button. So here you can add your company's URL, just by copying it and pasting it. Same goes for Facebook, YouTube. You can add your company's social media handles here. Once you do that, we are done with this section, booth setup section. Now we will go to the photo gallery. Here you can add your photos. You can add a caption here. Go to the highlights here. The process will always remain the same for uploading a photo. You can scroll down this toggle button, adjust the image, click on crop button. Always remember to do that. And your image will be uploaded. For photo gallery, you will have to add a video caption. Select a category, enter a YouTube link. Click on add video. And you can see your video is here. You can remove it from here also. If you want to upload some other video or you just don't want it to be here anymore. Now for the brochures, we'll just have to click on this add product button, add your product's name, description. You can add something about your product, something that you want to represent here. Add a PDF. So you have to remember your brochure should be in the PDF format and should be less than 15 MB. Now you will just choose an image for here. Just do that. Here you can see there is toggle button. Always remember to click on crop and save the changes. So you do that, you can see the brochure is uploaded. So that is it. I hope it was beneficial for you. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. So this is a quick tutorial on how to add and manage your booth staff. So you must have received this link. You will just click on the link and this page will pop up. You will just then add your login credentials. Click on sign in button. And once you do that, you will just go to account settings, manage accounts now. Here you can just click on add booth staff, this blue button. Enter the name, the designation, make sure each and every email ID is unique. Password, so you can generate a password for your booth staff. Now access type, so either your booth staff can talk to the visitors through video chat or through WhatsApp or through phone call. So you can just click on one of these options. Add a phone number. So you can add a topic. You can add a Zoom link. You can add a direct video call link. Just click on add users. Once you do that, you will just send the login ID password section here. We'll just send that to your booth staff. So what your booth staff needs to do is here on the same link given to you on your email, you will send it to your booth staff along with the login credentials, and your booth staff will just add the credentials, and from offline they can turn themselves online. And if they are not available on the booth, they can turn themselves offline. So whenever they have turned themselves online, the visitors can see that your booth is online and they can connect with you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much.